Happy Thursday, guys. A few announcements before you continue with bar graphs. The talent show is tomorrow, Friday, for our Big Blue Button meeting at 11 o'clock. Remember, make sure it is school and kid appropriate, and you can show off your talents during the talent show tomorrow at 11 a.m. If you guys can make it, it'd be great. If not, it's not required, just for fun and just to catch up and see you guys for the week. Also, progress reports are coming out soon. With distance learning being the main form of teaching till the end of the year, participation is so important, meaning completing the work. There's a good handful of you, maybe 3 to 4 students that I have to constantly remind, or I'm writing on email or commenting on your discussion posts because I'm not getting complete work. I'm either getting submissions with just a letter on it or a number. Those are not counting for complete participation, and they can affect your grade. Also, Friday, after our talent show, your parents and I have spoken, and there may be a surprise. There is a surprise coming between the hours of 4 and 6 p.m. So just be aware. I hope you guys are home, and you may have visitors coming. So it is going to be confirmed that it is between the hours of 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. And if you are not at home, then we'll leave your little surprise on the doorstep or in your mailbox. But there will be some surprise visitors, I don't know who, possibly heading to your home on Friday between the hours of 4 and 6 p.m. All right, that's the announcement for today. Go ahead and get started with the work. Make sure you're still going on ST Math if you have not finished. If you have finished and you are 100%, then you're free to go on Prodigy or iReady, but you do have to go on one of the programs, as well as still continue your daily fluency charts, whether it's the gray folder or it is Reflex Math. Even if you get 100% on Reflex, you can continue practicing mixed multiples. You guys don't want to get rusty during the summer months. So those are the announcements for today. Happy Thursday.